So we are doing the schematic drawing of this. So first thing for us to do is that you take your T-square. So this is your T-square. This is your angular square. So this is angle 60. So we'll be using angle 60. So this is angle 60 here. So first thing for you to do is that now you can place it at any point here. Do a construction line like this. Can you see? This construction line. So do the same thing. So do the same construction line like this. So after that, you can see that from here to here is level. You take your ruler, you mark here 11. That is what 120. So the ruler is what 11 here. So you can see that from here to here is what, from here to here is 6.2. So you take your ruler here, you measure this 6.2 here. So I'll mark this space from here 6.2. So after that, you take your angular ruler, you do a straight line, like a very straight construction line, and also do like this. Do like this. So you can see that the height. So you can see that the height here is 16. So the height here is 16. So we'll now be using 1.6. So can you see 1.6 here? So I'll use 1.6. I'll mark this space. So mark that side. Next thing we should do is that you take a ruler, you do this one, you get this one here, do a straight line like this. So turn to the other side, you get here, do a straight line like this. So when you are done there, so what you do is that the distance from here to here is 14. So use 1.4. So you take here, you measure 1.4 here. 1.4. So you can see that the distance from here to here is what, 18. So the distance from here to here is what, 48. So you take here, you measure 4.8. So can you see? So this is 4.8. So after you are done there, you take your angular ruler, you do the left side, you do a construction lines like this. So you turn to the other side, you do a construction line like this. So after that, you will not take this one, you do angle 90 straight line like this. So if you are done with that, you can extend this one to the other side. So turn this one to the other side to connect this one as like a bus. So are you done? If you are done with that, now the next steps for us to take is that from this place to this place is 14. Do you get me? From here to here is 14. So what we will do is that we need this middle here, and this middle here is the middle of this place. So what we will suppose do is that you will tell your measure 14 here. You take your ruler, you measure 14 here. That is 1.4. So you mark 1.4 here. So the half of 1.4 is what, 7. So you mark 7 here. So when you are done with that, what will you do next? So what you do next is that you take your measurement ruler, you extend this one to this place, you project this to this place, bring this one, project this one to this place. So after that, you project this one as angle 90 straight perpendicular to this line. So project this one to this place. Now you are done with that. Now you can now see that the height from here, from this ground to this place is what? 64. You can see, so use one 6.4. So you can I can decide to mark my 6.4 here. So this by 6.4 here. Can you see it? So this by 6.4. So I will mark by 6.4 in this place and mark it here. So when I mark like that, so when I mark, I will project this one straight to the down. I will project it down. So I think I'm done there. Now you can now see that they give us from this place to this place is what? 18. So I'll use 1.8 from here. So for me to do that is that this is what I'll just do. For me to do that, I'll just play this one here. So I will not start from here. I'll measure from here to here should be what? 1.8. So if I'm done with that, so what next I'm supposed to do is that after done with that, so you take my this thing, I will do like this. I will cross this line to a center line. So you guys know is long dash, center line is long, small dash, long, small dash, long. So this one will cross this for the circle, long, small dash, long, small dash, long. So when I'm done with that, so you can now see that from this place to this place is what? 50. So I will take my ruler, I will measure, I will start from here, I will put my 50 here, so, and I will mark this place. So when I mark there, what I will do now is that the same thing I did there, I will do a plus like this, cross, something like that, and do this one like this. So now that one is done. So I'm done with this one, I'm done with this one. So now next thing for me to do is that you can see that the radius they give me for this bigger one is 122. So I will take my compass, I will measure what? Radius 22 here and put it down here. Can you see? So I will come here, I will mark this, I will mark this cross, and this one. So also I'll apply it to this one. I'll mark this one vertical, and line. So when I'm done there, the next step is taking your French curve. Now that is a sheet there. You are not using the four square method. You take your French curve. You look at which one is the best to put it in. You look at which one is the best. So you will test it. You will test the French curve. Which one can you use? So you will make sure that all this. Now you can see the one I can suppose use is the biggest. I will use because this thing is showing here. That's what it's showing here. So I will place it in a good way. So I will do like this. So can you see? So the next step, you want to do the other one. I will first take my this thing here. So to be accurate, so take my this here. Do this. Do the other one here. This one. So if I'm done, I will project it to this line. I will look at that line I projected. So I've seen it. So I've seen the projection lines. So after that, I will pin this one to connect it together. Can you see? So I've connected that together. So this one now, I can't connect this one yet. What I will do is that I know that this space I'll be giving from here to here is what? 18. So I will take my ruler, I will measure what? 18. So 1.8 here. Can you see? I will mark here. And you know that from here to here is 14, so I'll use 1.4. Mark here. So what will I do? This is what I'll do. So what I was supposed to do is that, you know, the edges of here, I will connect this one straight. So this is it. I'll connect this one straight to this one. Likewise, connect this one straight to this. So if I'm done, I will take my this way, so shift it to this side a little bit. Let me see lines. So I think I'm done with that. So I can now join this. I'll join it like that. So the next steps is from here to here. So how will I get it? From here to here and from here to here. Now it's so easy. So what will I do is that I'll take my this. So I'll extend this, put it like this. So I've marked that side. I will know that it's 7, 7. So I'll just mark. I know from here to here will be 7, make it 14. From here to here is 14. So remember what that I connected it here. So what will I do here? I'll just bring this one, join this side, join this side. So I think nothing much on it. So let me not taking it the main side. So this place I'll take it this side. So this side, sorry there's a little mistake. So I've worked out with. So we'll be taking the outline now. One that is supposed to take. So when you are done that, taking this one, take this. So you can see this one too. The other outline here. So you can see that this one is connected to this center line. This one here. So you add this one to connect it to this one. Yeah. So there is what left. You still have a little bit things to draw here. Now you can see that the inner diameter here is what? 26. So 26 divided by 2 is what? 26 divided by 2 is what? 13. So what will I do is that you take your compass. Take your compass. You use 1 point what? 1.3. Can you see? 1.3. So you come here, You apply the principle here, make arc here, cross this one, cross this, cross. So you now see what I'm doing here. You take the other French curve here. You can see that this one is too big, you can't use it. So you make sure that you are seeing this. You can see that I'm seeing this arc. So you can see it. You can see that I'm seeing this space, I'm seeing this space, and as well seeing this one, and this seeing this one here. So what will I do here? I will cross it. So can you see it? Can you see it now? So the next thing for me to do is that from here to here is what? 12, 20. From here to here is what? From here to here is what? 20. From here to here is what? 24. So I will take my ruler. So you can see I mark what? This is what? 2.4. And this one is what? This one is 20. So next thing I will take this thing here. I will mark this one to be 20 here, and do this one 24 to the other side too. Can you see? So this one here is 20. You need to mark. So what we'll do here is shift this one to this place and do 20. So I think I'm done. Now the radius, the answer they give us is 12. So radius is what? 12 divided by 2 is what? 6. So I'll take my compass here and measure 6. So sorry. So the same thing here. So when I'm done, you can see I will find the one that I'm seeing, this one. I think let me use this smaller one. You can see I see it here, see it here, see it here. So I hold this one. Same thing here. I can see it here too. I can see it here. I can see it here. So I hold this one. So can you see it? So this is what it's supposed to draw, and this is what it's looking like. Can you see it? So that is it.